I'm going to show you how to ace the base makeup. The first step in getting the flawless base is to prep the skin nicely. You can use any exfoliator to remove the dead layer or dead skin sitting on the top layer of the skin. If you do not exfoliate, you will have dry skin on top layer, and when you apply foundation and concealer, it is going to cake up. So the next step is to hydrate and bring in a lot of moisturizer in your skin. And I'm going to do it in a two-step process. Firstly, I'm going to use a hydrating moisturizer, and you need to push it nicely in the skin with the help of a beauty blender or a brush. Then I'm going to use a facial oil for the extra hydration which is specially required during the winters. A couple of drops and you're good to go. Then I'm going to use a primer water or a toner which will give your skin an instant boost and it will make you look fresh all day. Now I'm going to use an under eye cream which will instantly brighten up the under eye area and take care of the dryness. To hydrate my lips, I'm going to use a lip balm. To fill in all the fine lines and pores that I have on my face and to get the smooth surface, I am going to be using a pore primer all over my face. You just need to focus the area which has more fine lines and pores. Then I will be using a peach color corrector to neutralize the dark circles and the spots that I have on my face and bring it down to my skin tone. We can also use the color corrector to spot correct in the areas we have acne scars or any other kind of scars. I am going to lightly dust the translucent powder to set the color corrector so that it does not mix with the foundation. Now we are going to apply some foundation to make the skin tone look even. To blend the foundation into the skin nicely, we can use a blender or a brush. So if you spray some fixer onto the blender directly, it can give some amazing long-lasting results. Now it's time to add some dimension and structure to the face. For that I'm going to start with cream contouring with a flat shader brush. I'm going to mostly use it in the circumference of my face and in the hollows of my cheekbones. Now I will be highlighting the high points on my face to brighten it up. After I blended everything out, I'm taking some translucent powder and gently pressing on my skin till the powder gets absorbed by the concealer and sets with the help of a dry sponge. This will not only give you a flawless finish but will also make your makeup long lasting. Now I will use blotting tissues to remove the excess powder, and believe me, this step will make your skin look like skin. Now I am setting my base with setting spray. It not only locks makeup and doesn't allow makeup to move, but also it melts the excess powder sitting on the face, making the skin look more natural. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Bye bye.